Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to be going over the final 4 options for the wage increase for 2024. They sent out this flyer right here. As you can see, you can decide where the money goes, and that goes between the Flex Plan, the District 9 pension, healthcare, paycheck, and the Edison pension. So on the screen I'm just going over the paycheck increase. So there's 4 options that it got narrowed down to on Saturday. About 4 p.m. that ended. So the final 4 options are a $2.50 increase, a $3.10 increase, $3.15 increase, and a $4 increase. And then the other part of that $4.50 raise goes to other things, like I said, for the pensions and the healthcare and stuff like that. So just going over this is what we're currently at, $57.35. So if you add the $2.50, then you get $59.85. If you add the $3.10, you get $60.45. If you add the $3.15, you get $60.50. And if you add $4, then you're at $61.35. So I personally voted highest to lowest. So I voted $4 for the first choice, second choice at $3.15, third choice for $3.10, and the fourth choice at $2.50. And as you can see right here, we're about $119,288 per year if we worked 2,080 hours a year. So if you increase the $250 an hour, that adds up to $5,200 a year for a total of $124,488. If you add up the $310 per year, that's $6,448 extra per year, totaling $125,736. And then for the $3.15, that adds an extra $104. Then the last option at $6,552 per year at $125,840 per year. And then if you add the $4, and then you're at $8,320 extra a year, which is nice. So hopefully we can get that one. And then that'll be a total of $127,608. So I might have mispronounced a couple of those, but you can see all the numbers right here. So anyways, those are the 4 options here, and that will get decided here within, I think, the next week or so, something like that. Within the next week or two, we will be choosing which one of these we get for the 2024 upcoming year. So once all the members vote and the time ends for the voting, then we will get whatever we vote for. So at the worst, it's going to be an extra $5,200 a year. I just personally want to hit $60 an hour. I think that would be cool, but any of these are good. Just hopefully not the $2.50 option, because it just seems a little bit low. So hoping for the $4 option. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys for this video. I'm going to be working on a tool reel, but other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.